Hello everybody, Farmer Allison here. Today we're going to be doing a science experiment. But before we begin, we need to learn first a new word. And that word is emulsion. So emulsion is an action word and it means the mixing together of two liquids that wouldn't normally mix together. I'd like you to take a couple minutes to think about what are some examples of two liquids that don't normally mix together. And I'd like you to share that with somebody in your house. So a very common example of two liquids that don't usually mix together are oil and water. And we're going to demonstrate that today by using some stuff that we have around the house. Let's do this experiment together. So you're first going to take your jar and you're going to pour a little bit of oil into the jar. Here is the oil in the jar. Now we're going to add in some of the water. Next you're going to take some food coloring. I'm going to use blue, and you're going to add a couple drops into your mixture. Put your lid on, or if you're using a cup, use a spoon to stir it and shake it up. After a minute, take a look at how the oil and the water has separated. You can see the two different colors. If you shake it up and let it sit, the same thing will happen again. All right, now that we know that water and oil do not mix, I would like to ask you guys, how do you think you could get something like water and oil to stay mixed together? When we want to make two opposite things stick together like oil and water, we need to add a third substance. The third substance is what's going to help make those two liquids stick together. To get the oil and the water to stick together, we are going to use dish soap. Put the lid on and shake it up. Then let it sit for a minute. After adding the soap, the oil and the water are not as separated. That is because the soap is helping the two of those liquids stick together. Good job experimenting with emulsion. We are going to take what we learned about emulsion today and apply it to cooking for our next lesson. So next time I see you, we are going to be doing some experiments in the kitchen with stuff that we can actually eat using the concept of emulsion. So until then, take care and I will see you next time.